Now that we have identified the areas to observe, we can start installing the cameras. It is important to note that if your camera is located in an unsupervised area, you should, whenever possible, mount your camera above the 10-foot mark. This will help to deter outsiders from knocking it down. Our first camera is mounted outside on a concrete wall. First, take one of the supplied camera mounting pedestals and place it against the wall where the camera is to be located. Using a marker, trace the 3 mounting hole locations. Use a 5/16 masonry drill bit and drill the 3 holes to at least 1 inch deep. Insert the wall plugs into the holes. Tap them with a hammer until they are fully inserted. Line up the camera pedestal with the 3 wall plugs. Insert the mounting screws and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the camera mount to the camera. Mount the camera into the camera pedestal. Point the camera at the area to be observed and tighten the mount. Be sure to remove the protective film covering from the lens of the camera. You are now ready to move on to your second camera location and repeat the mounting process. A dropped ceiling makes cable routing an easy task. Remove the ceiling tile the cable will run through. Fish your cable through the open tile. Take the supplied extension cable and attach it to the camera end. Tie the 2 ends into a knot to ensure the 2 cables will not fall apart. Coil about 10 feet of cable and throw it through the ceiling cavity in the direction you need to route the cable. Remove the ceiling tile closest to where the cable landed. Continue to throw the cable through the cavity until the cable is routed to the desired location. Reach in and pull the cable down. The cable can be surface mounted to a wall or baseboard using a cable stapler or cable clips to fasten. Additional cameras you purchase may be supplied with different connectors than those on the bullet cameras provided with your surveillance system. The camera will have a DC input connector and a BNC video output connector. Plug the power supply into the DC input connector. Connect the BNC connector to any of the available video inputs on the DVR. The other type of connector is RCA. In this case, you will have to purchase an RCA to BNC adapter. First, plug the camera's RCA video output connector into the adapter. Then plug the BNC adapter into any of the available inputs on the DVR.